The call stack is used to keep track of all the subroutines that are currently running. I'm going to walk you through this example program to show you how this works. When the main subroutine is called, a stack frame is created on the call stack. This frame will have memory space for the local variables num1 and num2 and the return pointer. The return pointer is the line within the subroutine that will be run next. The subroutine main starts running. The user is prompted to enter a number. The value they enter, 12, is stored on the stack frame. Next, the user is prompted to enter another number. The value 6 is again stored on the stack frame. Now the subroutine calculate product is called. The stack frame for main is holding the return pointer for line 10, which is the next line of main to be executed. At this point, another stack frame is created for the subroutine calculate product. It will have memory allocation for its parameters n1 and n2 and for the local variable product, as well as space to store the return pointer. The values of num1 and num2 from main are passed into the subroutine. The subroutine calculate product starts running. The two numbers are multiplied together and the product is stored on the stack frame. The value of product is displayed to the user. The subroutine calculate product has completed. The associated stack frame is popped from the stack. A peek operation is carried out, and the main subroutine continues executing at line 10, as indicated by the return pointer. There are no more instructions, so the main subroutine has completed, and its frame is popped from the stack. Peek operation is carried out, but the call stack is empty, so the program terminates.